TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 30. You get the Nasdaq up 15. S&Ps are up 3.5. Gold contract up $6, trading at $12.40 an ounce. We have silver up 17 cents, $17.61 an ounce. You have platinum up $3, $9.73 an ounce. Copper is off 2.5 pennies at $2.62 a pound. Light sweet crude flat, $48.96 a barrel. Notes: 10-year note up 1 tick, 124.01. 30-year bond up 8 ticks, 149.09. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, they went topside yesterday, had light volume. They pulled back today with light volume, rejected lower price. They're going to make a run for the highs once again. Higher price, lower yield. What's it all about? King dollar. King dollar's getting wrecked, down 700 ticks, 99.525. King dollar's going after its lowest swing point of 99.125. It looks to me like it's going to actually break that level. And what you have here, folks, King dollar is going to be the culprit of putting selling pressure inside this market. Euro. The euro is at 108 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 112 to 0.80 to the U.S. dollar. If we go over and take a look at the S&P, this is what you have happening in the S&P. The SPY right now is trading at up 17 ticks. You're at 236.92. This is making its way down to the lower end, which is 235.74. Dow Industrial, same type of setup in the Dow. You had a spike higher this morning. You gave it up already, gave it up on price. It has no volume behind the move. This thing wants to run down to 20,777. The NASDAQ composite, folks, yesterday failed on price, failed on volume. Bottom line, what does it do today? Gets to an accelerated point once again, already failed. We're at 59.07. It went to 59.28. That's a spike high. And if you take a look at the NQs did it. When you see a spike high like this, what you had is this. You had the spike high, gets up and over the high from 4 days ago, which is 54.38, and gave it up in spades. That saying, guess what? Downtown, here we come. Small caps. Let's take a look at the small caps. Small caps out here also coming down with volume. And the small caps very well could have tested the lows of the high. Bottom line, couldn't handle it. You're going to see a fast acceleration down into the 134, and we're at 137.05 right now. Gold contract, gold caught a bid. The divergence here this morning was pretty intense. The dollar was getting wrecked, and gold was actually down $2. Bottom line, gold's making its run right now for the swing high. That swing high that we're talking about is 1264. Gold very well could be an actually ABC structure on the way up to the 1334 area. Bonds, the 10-year bond, bottom line, higher price. Has the volume behind the move today? You've already done 500,000 contracts. You're at 124.02. It's going after 125.04. And good old King dollar. King dollar is going to be the culprit out here today, folks. This fast move in the dollar is going to throw a little wrecking ball inside the S&P today. We'll see whether we get any volume with it. But King dollar is at 99.525. You're going after the 99.145. And the way the King dollar has been trading, it looks like it wants to break it and run down into the 96 area. You run down to the 96 area in good old King dollar, you're going to see these commodities get a bid underneath them in a very fast bid. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
If you're looking to unearth a new financial resource and diversify your financial portfolio, consider the new market-safe core commodity CD from Everbank. This 5-year U.S. dollar-denominated CD gives you exposure to 4 equally weighted commodities: gold, copper, WTI oil, and sugar, in one powerful CD. With no pricing caps, you can potentially earn an unlimited upside payment at maturity if the commodities increase in value across semi-annual pricing dates. And should the opposite occur, your principal is 100% protected. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. There's no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on this index CD. Don't miss out. With certain commodities on the rebound, now is the time to take advantage. The March 23rd funding deadline will be here before you know it. So call 1-855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. Once more, that's 1-855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. This advertisement is sponsored content. Everbank is a member FDIC.